Hi guys, now I'm gonna guide you how to practice topic number 6. Talk about your room. Now listen and repeat after me. My own room, my own room. Don't share, don't share. Between, between. In one corner of, in one corner of, in one corner of, in one corner of. To the right of, to the right of. Closet, closet, closet. Close, close. A bit, a bit, a bit. Now listen and repeat after me, sentence by sentence. Hi guys, my name is. I am 9 years old. I live in a big city. Now, I would like to tell you about my room. I have my own room. I don't share it with my sister. Kem nối âm của từ share, âm R của share sang từ it và cô giáo có là share it. I don't share it with my brothers or sister. My room is between my sister's room and my parents' room. In one corner of my room, there is a bed. My desk is to the right of the bed. There is a poster on the wall. I also have a closet for my clothes. My room is a bit small, but I like it. That's my sharing about my room. Thank you for listening. My own room, don't share. Between, in one corner of. Poster, closet, clothes, a bit. Okay, now remember practice many times and then record. Bye bye guys.